Welcome to Grammar Lessons from BM English Speaking. चालू वर्तमान काल, present continuous tense. Let's study how present continuous tense is framed in English. We are studying unit number 3. I am working. मैं काम कर रहा हूं. Present continuous tense. सादे वर्तमान काल का उपयोग यह जताने के लिए होता है जो क्रिया कुछ समय पहले शुरू हुई थी और कुछ समय तक और चलेगी. To express in writing or in speaking about an activity that started before the time of speaking and is going to continue after the time of speaking is called present continuous tense. Let's look at one example. These children, they say we are dancing. हम नाच रहे हैं. They are also saying we are enjoying. हम मजे कर रहे हैं. We are dancing, which means we started dancing some time back. Right now, we are dancing. We are going to continue dancing for some more time. Present continuous tense. We are dancing. The same goes with we are enjoying. We will say they are dancing. They are enjoying. They are not sitting. They are not running. In a positive statement, we'll say I am reading an e-paper. We'll use is with he, she, and it. Jay is having lunch. He is having lunch. She is reading a novel. Smita is reading a novel. The train is arriving now. It is arriving now. You notice that we use am or is and we'll see are plus verb with an ing. Let's look at the usage of are in present continuous tense. With we, we'll use are. With you, we use are. And with they, we use are. Raj and I are going to the show. We are going to the show. You are staying at home. With you, we use are. The people are cheering. For the people, the pronoun we use is they. They are cheering. Now let's look at negative sentences in present continuous tense. Sentences with I will use I am not. So you'll say I am not reading an e-paper. Let's look at usage of is in negative sentences in present continuous tense. With he, she, and it, we'll use is not. Jay is not having lunch. In place of Jay, the pronoun that we use is he. He is not having lunch. She is not reading a novel. Smita is not reading a novel. The train is not arriving. It is not arriving. Let's look at the usage of are in sentences that are negative in present continuous tense. Raj and I are not going to the show. We are not going to the show. You are not staying at home. The people are not cheering. Let's summarize. With I, we use am. With he, she, it, we use is. With we, you, they, we use are, plus and verb with an ing to frame a sentence in present continuous tense. Of course, ये सारे वाक्य पॉजिटिव हैं. चलिए जरा इसका फॉर्मूला समझते हैं. With I, we use am plus learn plus ing and English. Subject plus helping verb plus a verb with an ing and an object. I is a subject, am is a helping verb, learning is learn plus ing learning. English is an object here. I am learning English. मैं English सीख रहा हूं. सादे वर्तमान काल का उपयोग कोई भी एक्टिविटी जो चल रही है वो बताने के लिए होता है. At the time of speaking or at the time of writing. चलिए कुछ और उदाहरण देखते हैं. Please call later. I am working on a presentation. With I we use am. Work plus ing becomes working. I am working on a presentation. मैं एक presentation पर काम कर रहा हूं. It is pleasant in Chennai now. It is not raining. With it we use is in a positive statement, is not in a negative statement. Nancy is not attending the training. For Nancy, the pronoun that we use is she. With she, we use is in present continuous tense. And to make it negative, we'll say is not. So she is not attending the training. They are meeting the CEO at the moment and presenting a new idea. With they, we'll use are. Meet plus ing becomes meeting. They are meeting the CEO at the moment and presenting a new idea. Let's look at some examples at the time of writing. It is with great pleasure that I am writing this letter to you. With I we use am. Write plus ing becomes writing. I am writing this letter to you. She is auditing the vouchers. With she we use is. Audit plus ing becomes auditing. She is auditing the vouchers. I am attaching the document. With I we use am. Attach plus ing becomes attaching. I am attaching the documents. Let's understand the spelling rules in present continuous tense. Make becomes making. Dance becomes dancing. Come becomes coming. Get getting. Swim swimming. Cut cutting. Tie becomes tying. Thank you.